I have a little elephant. It is from my father to remind me of home. It is pretty solid. Don't drop it on your foot. One of the reasons I chose finance was because of my dad. He has been in the banking sector for the longest time, so I was surrounded by finance my whole life. It was my business analytics class. When I sat down, I realized, hey, this is kind of cool. So I dropped economics and I pivoted to business analytics and emerging tech. I think it was one of the best decisions I made in my academic journey. I wanted to talk a bit about the skills I learned at Deakin. A lot of them were very hands-on. You can build your networking skills, build your presentation skills, get interview skills done. Helped me build my LinkedIn. These events helped me build so many skills and confidence, which I use today. Right now, I have found myself a job. It is a stepping stone in my career. Deakin just doesn't only focus on academics. They focus on who you are as an individual. They help you specifically with everything that comes after.